Hello guys and welcome. In today's video we will be covering the swerving left and right like we have motions front, forward and back. So let's begin with opening our script, drone movement script, and let's go ahead to our fixed update and add another method. We will call this swerve. How do you spell swerve? Swerve. I'll just spell it like swerve. English is my second language. Okay, so void swerve. Okay, so the variables we need here are gonna be private float side movement amount, and we're gonna assign it to 300. So I'm just ballparking this right here. Install private. Okay, this is going to be the force that will be applied to swerve left or right. And as we did when we press forward with tilt, we want that with the swerving, so we'll just say tilt amount sideways, and we'll just keep it that way. Oh, I forgot to assign it's a float. The last one for this method will be private float tilt amount velocity. It's just going to be for the smooth damp. So let's get into our swerve method, if it's spelled right. Okay, so if we press the horizontal key, which is A or D, we want our drone to swerve, go to the corresponding side, and we want our drone to tilt. So if we go ahead, say math F, because we want to check for the absolute value, the absolute input that get axis horizontal is greater than 0.2 float. We'll say our drone dot add relative force, that is vector 3 dot right, since we're doing the sides, times input dot get axis horizontal, so it goes over some time until the keys reach from 0 to a certain value like 1 or -1, which we discussed in the previous videos, and times side movement amount. Close that up, and as we want it to swerve and rotate, we want to add tilt amount sideways equals math.smooth damp. So we want our tilt amount sideways to go, I think our forward rotation was 20. Yes, it was. We're gonna do the same with the sideways. We want to reach the rotation of 20 times input that get axis horizontal and comma ref tilt velocity, tilt amount velocity, comma 0.1 f over the time we want it to go. I misspelled something, I'll just copy and paste it. Okay, so that should be it. Okay, and there is else statement. If we are not pressing anything, we want our drone to go back to the rotation originally, which will be tilt amount sideways, math.smooth damp, tilt amount sideways, comma 0 because we want to reach the 0 rotation, ref tilt amount velocity over the time of 0.1 float. I misspelled something again and just copy and paste it. Let's go back into Unity. Wait for it to compile. Let's see if that one works. Okay, that's forward. What happens if I press the D key? It goes to the right. If I press the A key, it goes to the left. But it doesn't rotate. Why? Okay, we forgot to assign the tilt amount sideways value to our rotation, which is going to be instead of the Z. Tilt amount sideways. Hopefully it's going to work this time. Wait for it to compile. Hit play. Come on, Unity. You can do it. Okay, so if I hit D, okay, it goes to the right, but it tilts the wrong direction. I think I know why. Because the swerve horizontal, it has inverted rotation since it's the z-axis, so we just multiplied by -1, or you can put just minus in front of the 20, which I'm gonna do. Head back into Unity. Wait for it to compile. Hit run. I don't know why it's so slow, maybe because I'm recording. Anyways, if I hit D, okay, it works now, great. Okay, so we have half functioning drone for now. Oh, it looks really nice. Okay, thank you for watching. In the next episode we will make the rotating part of the rotating stuff. I don't know how it's called, but we're gonna rotate that, so stay tuned. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions, like and subscribe if you want.